Hi guys, today we will learn about SEO on YouTube for a beginner in 2022. Everybody knows that people would rather watch a video than read a big long blog post. There's a lot of people, which means that video SEO can have countless benefits: increased watch time, broader brand awareness, and more sales and leads. Search engines like YouTube or Google use the same fundamental in their algorithm for website and video ranking. The focus on providing the user with the very best experience possible, and YouTube video search results have now been combined with Google search to simplify how people search. And there are simple YouTube SEO tips to make your video has a higher rank in search. And the first is pick your keyword wisely. Are getting more competitive every month. New competitor, new products, new service. Everyone is fighting for the top spot. So we must find a way to diversify ourselves, and our offering is crucial. And we can do our keyword research, and unless you can compete with really competitive terms, pick keyword that can get you volume but are less competitive. You can, for example, you can use this. This is SEMrush. SEMrush is a website that can help you to make your video marketing. It's like get measurable result from online marketing. It's like SEO, content marketing, competitor research, PPC, and social media marketing from just one platform. It's like this. This is example website that you can see here. It's like SEO toolkit. It's like this. Content marketing, market research, advertising, social media, and anything. And it's same as another website. It's like Google Keyword Planner. And then Google search, just like if you are type on Google, and you can see search suggest, people also ask, related search, and more. Yeah, just like that. And then to optimize your video rank, you can use keyword in your video title. For example, I want to search for how to make French fries. And click the video section here, and you can see this is a lot of keyword that we can see on every video. It's like about French fries, how to make French fries, how to make French fries, the best way to make French fries, and anything. You can see this is the different keyword in every video that different, but in the main idea is French fries. It's like that. It is the name of just keyword in your video title. Understanding the search intent of your audience is the first step. We know that the most common type of search intent include informational, commercial, navigational, and transactional. So you can matching what your video is about with the intent of your customer is going to be really important for getting your video visible in search result. Okay, when you are upload in YouTube, of course you can include the keyword in your video file when you are uploading a video. It's like every video that you've been upload, the video name that you've been upload is the same as the title that you will submit. And you can optimize your YouTube video, the YouTube video description. For example, I want to see it. This is the description of the video. There are a lot of description that visualize your video. So like that you can optimize your video description. And this is one of the most important ranking factor on YouTube SEO is make sure you have a solid optimizer video description. Whenever you change or update any YouTube video element, which include video description, subtitle, and closed caption and video thumbnail, YouTube will re-evaluate the video. Just like that. And you can also use the hashtag if we are setting for friends like before. Just click and we will find another video. Just like it. This is the French fries. The video hashtag that we've been placed on our video is help us to make our video go to upper rank. And you can also add your video category, select your video category on every video that you've been upload, like sport, gaming, comedy, education, or anything. And you can see the different thumbnail display about this. And you can make your thumbnail more attractive than others. Just make the thumbnail with your own. Thumbnail can help or hide your YouTube video. They are the first thing that grab people's attention when they look at YouTube search result. A strong thumbnail can lead to a higher watch time, which can have a big influence on YouTube ranking. Okay, maybe that's enough video that I can convey about learn SEO in 2022. I hope it can be useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.